Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and today what I'd like to go through with you is what are the fundamental basics of learning to drive an automatic vehicle, and that's how to leave the curb correctly. The first thing is I am parked next to the curb. I'm about 15 centimeters away from the gutter, and what I'm going to be doing here is when I leave the curb, I'm going to be checking my mirrors, checking all around the vehicle to make sure there's no kids around me. There is a park over there, so I pay even more attention. And I'm in a residential area, so there are people around. Also, I will be signaling for 5 seconds notice on the indicator, and I will be doing a shoulder check to make sure that no one is coming from that blind spot over, like a kid on a bike or something. You won't hear a kid on a bike. You might hear a motorcycle coming up the road, and you might catch a motorcycle in your mirror, but you won't with a kid on a bike, for example, or a mum with a pram, or a dad with a pram, or whatever. So first of all, I do my 6-point checks around the vehicle. It's clear up ahead, it's clear behind, it's clear on the left shoulder, it's clear on the right shoulder, it's clear in the mirrors as well. I've conducted my 6-point checks. I check my rear view mirror, then I check straight ahead, I check my right wing mirror. I indicate, I give 5 seconds notice. I put my foot on the brake, I select drive. I'm still monitoring the mirrors and still monitoring up ahead. I pop a shoulder check and I make sure that I don't lose anything behind this pillar B, right next to my shoulder. It's a great block out. And that is how you depart the curb.